when I pull this up, right, I add this bathing suit to cart because, you know, summer's pretty much here in the States for the most
Mm-hmm.
part for a lot of people in the, southern area.
Mm-hmm.
Um, if I want free shipping, I need to spend 5 more. So let me show you something real fast.
Oh, by the way, do you suggest me to get rid of this buy a button with PayPal?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah. No, it's good. You want more pay options you want as many pay options as possible.
Okay.
Let me pull up something on my end real fast. Okay, here's an example. So when I add to cart,
Okay.
right? Watch what happens on the right-hand side. Oh, I gotta select size. There we go. All right, so I added to cart and it's giving me buy more and save. So 2 more options, right?
Yeah.
And afterpay in Sezzle
I
or
tried
Sezzle.
Afterpay, but it's still not possible here in Europe. No, Afterpay. Sorry, I'm lying. I try another thing. Okay, I will do it. After I'll try.
Yeah, and then have order bumps as well.
Okay.
So, but you're gonna need something that's like, let me pull up blenders, which is probably an easier example. Oh, let's do blenders, eyewear.
Like to upsell, you mean?
Yes, but more specifically, I'm referring to like right here, it's 195. Free shipping starts at 200 for you. So like I'm literally $5 off. And like instead of spending another $200 just to get free shipping, which is kind of silly, most of these people who are going to get free shipping are going to do this. Like this is the same exact thing. Ready? $48, free shipping over 50. Here it is. Instead of offering them like another set of glasses, they offer like a $5 item. Add to cart.
Okay.
Now I got free shipping. That's a super easy trick to get people to hop in over the range and you get an extra sell. See what I'm
Okay.
saying? Now it's free shipping, right? And like all I had to do rather than adding an entire another set and have to spend double, which is very unlikely. Some will do it, but it's not going to be, it's a lot easier for somebody just to say, "Oh, I'll toss in another, $10. No problem." Do you have an item that's like $20 or below?
No, not yet. No, no, actually no.
Okay. I would find if possible, maybe 1 or 2 items that you could have that are very, low cost. Because
Okay.
every one of these people who end up adding this to cart, if they're gonna get free shipping, they essentially have to, you know, add another
Yeah,
thing.
I know what you mean. Yeah,
Do you
I'll
know
think
out of all the
about it.
people who've purchased bathing suits, which one's the most popular?
So it's on the first page. Basically this one. So the opulent one, and if you go, yeah, this one, and if you go down, Dulcet is popular and
Which one?
Sinusoid is Dulcet, yeah, this one.
And people buy it and pay for shipping?
Yeah.
Which one's the number 1 bestseller?
Can you go on my first page, like home page?
I don't know what happened. That might be a glitch. All right.
It's Sinusoid. If you go, yeah, this one, the first one.
Okay, this is the number 1 bestseller?
Yeah.
All right.
And the tracksuit below.
Yeah, it makes sense. It's over 200. So I mean, I bet you that also has something to play into the fact that like some people just want the free shipping.
Oh, okay. Might be
Yeah. So honestly, I might even run a test where it's like you price everything above 200.
like just to overprice it now, like basically just everything over 200.
Yeah, just as a test to see if that affects the conversion rates once we're actually running ads, you know.
Okay.
Like
Okay.
not as of this moment, let's get your conversion rate established and then once we have it, we'll say okay, hey, your baseline conversion rate's 3%.
Oh,
And
okay.
it's been like that for the last 2 weeks. Let's go ahead and bump these all to 200 plus and
Yeah.
see if your conversion rate goes up.
Okay. Thanks. We will
Cool.
try.